we have a solution of delta W is equals to W1 minus W2 equals to 0.0132 minus 0.0092, and we will have a 0.004 pound per pound. And for CFM, we have a 1,500 times 0.004 of delta W over 13.8 times 8.33, and we will have a 0.52 CFM. For Q reheat, 1.08 times 1,500 times 72 minus 55, and we will have a 271,400 BTU per hour. And Saturn steam, convert pound per hour to 75,400 over 960, we will have a 286.9 pound per hour. For our number 8 solution, we have a 50% SAT, and V1 is 13.8 feet cube per pound, and in 100% we have reheated equals to V2 14.4 feet cube per pound. And to get our mass equals to 10,000 over 13.5, and we will have a mass of 726 feet cube per pound. For our number 7 solution, V sub 2 equals to 0.16 times 50 over 14.2, and we will have a 0.6177 PSIA. And for our PSAT in 0.6177 equals to 85.5 Fahrenheit in temperature. So our analysis, we have a PSAT in 70 Fahrenheit, we have a PSAT of 0.3632 PSIA.